Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this brief video, I'm just going to talk about the updates and slight changes coming to the channel starting in October. So, what am I planning on doing for starting this next month? Well, as you know, this is primarily lecture slides and videos that are designed for use with the OpenStax Astronomy 2nd edition textbook. I do have updates coming now. I am reviewing the slides and I'm going to re-release lectures starting on October 2nd. So it'll be 1 to 2 lectures every Thursday that will be released, just depending. Some of them will be re-recorded. Some of them will be essentially released as is, as there's some cases where there's no significant updates needed. Others that need new updates will be re-recorded and the new versions will be updated. The overall channel will still continue to be updated on Monday. The astronomy picture of the day has now become a permanent feature here, so this will continue for the rest of the year and for the foreseeable future. On Wednesdays, Misconceptions will continue for the rest of the year, so through the end of the year. On Thursdays, I will start re-releasing the lecture video, starting with Chapter 1. And on Fridays, I have finished up my Astronomy of Other Cultures, looking at Muslim astronomy. That has recently posted the last in that series. And I am going to go back and work on the exploration of the solar system, looking at the spacecraft that have explored our solar system. And that will continue for about the next 6 months. So that's just a little bit about what to look forward to on the channel coming up over the next couple of months. So I hope you look forward to the next videos coming. And until then, have a great day, everyone. And I will see you in class.